Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello, my name is Spiff, and if you're new here, what's up? I am your favorite non-binary makeup influencer here on YouTube, and today we are creating this makeup look right here. It is a typical smoky eye with a nice pop of color, perfect for this time of the year where you can kind of do these dark, crazy, smoky looks that are very sultry, very sexy, but then adding that nice pop of color is just definitely going to take it to the next level. So I had a lot of fun creating this makeup look today for you guys. I am on my way to a little event here that's going on in Pittsburgh, and so I am out the door, but I quickly wanted to film this intro and just let you guys know that I'm happy to be back here on my channel, talking to you guys, giving you all, what you're wanting as far as like makeup tutorials and just being present with y'all. So as always, if you want to subscribe to my channel, you should totally do so because I try and post videos as much as possible. You guys know my busy schedule, but every now and then I will post a video here on my channel, so definitely be a part of the family. And give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Alright, I'm literally running a little late. I gotta go out the door, so let's go and get started on today's tutorial. I'm loving this new backdrop that I just bought from Joann's. It's so cute. It's giving me holographic wild dreams. I don't know. I'm feeling it. I'm vibing with it. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to take my Pond's Dry Skin Facial Moisturizer. This is also a body moisturizer as well too, but we're just going to be using it for the face. I love to apply this because it is nice and cold here in the Berg. So I just want a lot of moisture on the face just to provide hydration throughout the entire day. Around this time is whenever my skin gets really, really dry, like more normal to dry. More on the dry side. It gets really tough because a lot of the products that I use in the spring and summertime, I kind of drop because the fall and winter time, it's a whole different makeup routine as far as my base prep, as far as moisturizer and stuff. I need something that's going to be a little bit thick. That way I have nice all-day moisture underneath the foundation, concealer, and all the powders and stuff. Alright, and next we're going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in shade 332 Golden Caramel. I've been loving this foundation a lot. I don't know why, especially for this time of the year when it gets a little cold, like we were saying. This is the time of the year where things start to get a little dry in the air, and my skin tends to dry up really fast, but for some reason, this has been really looking good on my skin the past couple of days when it's been 40 degrees outside. And then I'm going to take this down the neck just to blend everything out and that it transitions well. Next, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium and just applying that in the normal areas that I would highlight my face. So right underneath the eyes, right here on the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and then the chin. Next, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm going to take this lighter highlighter shade just to set all of that. Ooh, actually, no, I messed up on this step. Hold on. I'm going to set the entire face. Just kidding. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in shade 745 Warm Beige, and I'm just going to set the entire face with this powder. So I'm just going to take a powder brush. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm going to bring back the brightness underneath my eyes. I was trying to jump steps there. To contour, I'm going to go ahead and go into this e.l.f. bronzing palette, and it has my hair stuck to it. And I'm going to dive into this darker shade right here. And I'm taking that on a Morphe E4 brush. I'm picking it up with the side part and then using circular motions. I'm next going into this shadow right here from the palette, and it's going to be my bronzer shade. So I'm going to go in directly into that palette right here and use that as my bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine. We're just going to blush up these cheeks, honey. Honey, it's one of those days where I get to use my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Mean Money and Hustle a Baby. So that's just what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and just take Hustle a Baby. We're going to just highlight these damn cheeks because they need that glow. And then I'm taking Becca Opal and I'm just going to set that right on top. Just right on the highest point of my cheekbone. for ultimate glow. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the eye portion of this video. I was gonna do something a little too colorful for the outfit that I was gonna wear. So we're gonna do sort of like a smoky eye, but also add a pop of color to it. So I'm gonna reach into my little Life palette here. This is just the Z palette that I picked up at Sephora that I used to work at. And I just have 10 staple shadows that I use all the time, and then one gigantic, like, limited edition eyeshadow from Morphe brushes. So we're just gonna go ahead and just start building up for this smoky eye look. So I'm reaching into Caramel right here in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna run that in the crease area. For on top of that, I went ahead and I took Sienna just right over Caramel just to add a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to go in with Kohl from Morphe brushes, and we're just going to go ahead and just place that in the center of the lid. So I'm just going right on top on the lid with this black eyeshadow just to really intensify it. I'm making sure that I'm not going past the crease because we're going to be blending that with the brush that we used to take Sierra on top of Caramel. I'm just kind of darkening it up on both sides, making sure they look even. That is always an important factor whenever you're trying to do a smoky eye, is that you want to make sure that it's even on both sides. So just kind of constantly looking back and forth. It helps to look directly like at the mirror and kind of seeing like, okay, where do I need to add more shadow on which side? The little small details matter. Alright, so I'm going to take this NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the color teal, and I'm going to pop that into the waterline. It helps if you freshly sharpen it too. That way it's nice and creamy. So since I'm wearing the Opulent Lenses in Jade Blendz, it's a nice green contact lens, I thought it would really complement the color of this teal shade in the waterline. Of course, whenever I involve any type of color look, I want to take the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow right here. I believe this is called Thrash. And then I'm going to take an even tinier brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just take this nice indigo blue called Chaos. In the camera, it almost looks purple. Wow, that's so strange. But in person, this is very much like a nice indigo blue. Just to kind of dust away any little fallout that you may have. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little wing liner, even though you may not see it because of the black eyeshadow. I still want to coat my lash line just whenever we put on falsies. I might even just take Thrash and just pop that right here in the inner corner. Alright, and then for lips, I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Sandstorm. And then to go right on top, I'm going to be taking the Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the color Chromatic Addict. Alright guys, and that is the end of this makeup tutorial right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!